What's up, everybody? Today is episode 4 in the garage of Andrew Lewis. I'm working on the FD car like I have been for the last few days. So the progress I've made today was I wanted to build the rear subframe, well, not subframe, but bash bar setup. I got in here. This time I changed the design a little bit. I wanted to put an X in the center. That's gonna keep it a little more rigid if I start rubbing walls, hopefully. I didn't really have that before. That's probably why it collapsed, because I had the tank sitting down flush with the trunk floor and I wasn't able to build that. So hopefully now that this is like this, I will be able to rub walls a little more. It might not, it'll take a little more of an impact. At any rate, I built some strut tower braces so that when I jack it up, it don't all, kink up like this. So it should all stay pretty rigid whenever I'm putting it up in the air off the jack stand I built. So that's that right there. Pretty simple setup. I didn't want to overkill it because, I'll probably end up ruining it again anyways. So, so I tied in the old floor of the car to the braces I built off the side. And then basically what I'll do is on this, so I'll build a bash bar that's going to come out like that, and then it's going to go into here. I'll just cut a hole here, and then it'll do like a 90-degree inside there, and then I'll run the bar kind of come up in about this area and end. That way it'll take a little bit more of an impact and a cushion to blow a little bit, and hopefully if I do rub something, it'll just kind of want to shear off the back, and then I can just do a simple bash bar again if I hit something hard enough. Anyways, if you guys were wondering what kind of tube bender I use, I get to ask that a lot whenever I'm building cages and whatnot. It's a pretty simple setup. It's a JD squared. You can see right here, JD squared pipe bender. This one here is the Model 3. There's the website right there. You can pick one of these up. The bender itself without a stand is usually around like $350. I built my own stand, saved some money there, because I mean, if you're fabricating, you might as well just do that. The dies are usually around $300 to $350 a piece, depending what size it is. I've got a couple sizes I've bought over the last couple years. I use a 1.5 inch OD most of the time with my cages. It's light, it's easy to bend, and the material is a little cheaper. So I mean, that's pretty much all my cages have been for the last few years, and the ones I build for people. I use like an 095 wall. It's pretty standard for the FD cars and stuff. So, and then I bought you can see right here. So this was a 1 inch OD, and I like that a little better for whenever you're wanting to tube a front end or whatnot, like my core support. I did that out of 1 inch. It's a little cleaner. It's a little lighter. You're not overkilling. I mean, you use that bigger stuff, you gotta notch out your hood and stuff, which of course I did because that's how I had it before until I bought that die. But anyways, from the wreck, I got up in here yesterday and I had bent my down pipe. As you see, I took it off, and then down in here, the dump, the wastegate dump, I actually kind of bent that tube forward also. So I'm gonna have to pull that back. Hopefully don't crack it as I'm tugging on it. Get it away enough just so it clears my steering rack, as it kind of bumped up against the steering boot. So hopefully get that fixed tomorrow and try to finish this up. Back to the rear. So pretty much now I put this shelf right here, so the fuel tank is gonna sit on this right here, and then my battery box is gonna go right here. What I'll do is build a 90-degree tube that comes up and then comes back, and then it'll have a flat shelf, and that's where I'll bolt the tank to, so I can keep the tank away from this. So if I was to get into another wall again, it'll shift the whole back of the car. But as long as the braces for the tube or the tank will be right here, so hopefully it won't crush the tank again and cost me another $1,000. Because these things, believe it or not, are stupid expensive. So I'd rather not keep buying those. Anyways, so this was episode 4, part 1, whatever. I'll probably do another video tomorrow as I'm finishing up, and hopefully I can take it out, get it on a test drive by tomorrow afternoon. That's what I'm kind of hoping. Saturday I got some stuff to do, and then Sunday I want to load, hopefully be done enough so I can load the car up in the trailer Sunday morning, and then we're gonna head out to Grand Haven to go out to Gingerman and test the car out up the Gingerman racetrack. So hope you're enjoying my little series. You know, it's pretty hot. You know, just trying to get through this without going crazy. I need to get a fan set up in my garage that works a little better than it is right now. So anyways, stay tuned for the next episode. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Thanks.